Write a short note on the power of the appropriate government to exempt. The power of the appropriate government to exempt is provided under Section 20 of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961. This provision enables the government to exempt certain establishments from the operation of the Act under specific circumstances. According to Section 20 of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961, if the appropriate government is satisfied that an establishment or a class of establishments is already providing maternity benefits and other facilities which are not less favorable than those provided under the Act, it may grant an exemption. Such exemption may be granted by issuing a notification in the official gazette. The appropriate government may exempt a particular establishment or a class of establishments from the operation of all or any of the provisions of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961 or the rules made under it. The exemption may also be subject to such conditions and restrictions as may be specified in the notification. Purpose of the provision. The object of this provision is to avoid duplication of benefits, to encourage employers to provide maternity benefits equal to or better than those provided by law, to provide flexibility in the administration of the Act. Illustration. Suppose the company provides maternity leave, medical benefits, and other facilities that are more beneficial than those prescribed under the Maternity Benefit Act 1961. If the government is satisfied with these benefits, it may exempt that company from certain provisions of the Act through a notification in the official gazette. Conclusion. Thus, Section 20 of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961 empowers the appropriate government to exempt an establishment or class of establishments from the provisions of the Act where employees are already receiving benefits that are not less favorable than those provided under the Act.